Sabrina Carpenter. Tears. Very, very naughty. Very, very naughty. Sneaky, naughty. Just all the usual Sabrina kind of things. So, you know what she does. She knows what she's doing. Very cheeky. Anyway, let's get into it. So, we've got a little intro. Very tiny intro. Right there, we got a little A7 that starts with. So we've got A, G, C sharp, E, A. That's a little A7. It kind of just starts right at start there. Then it gets into that sort of intro, that kind of thing, which is then going to be the chorus. So we're pretty much going straight into that. That kind of thing. So we've got, I'm thinking it's a G minor 7. So we got a G, left hand, F, B flat, D. These are these two together. That's a G minor 7. Then we got A minor 7. We got A, G, C, E. And then to me it sounds like a little D minor 9. A little cheeky one there to go. Keep it going. We got the D. Nice. See what you could have done there. F, A, C, E. So slowly, then we go. So you get where I thought of you. Super slow. Being a responsible guy, treating me like you're supposed to do. Tears run down my thigh. That kind of thing. So, and then we got the verse, which then kind of changes key, I think. Then we got F minor. Wild. I'm gonna do it here though. So we got left hand, F. Right hand, F. A flat, C, E flat. That's our F minor 7. So we've got that. So it kind of goes to this then, like a B flat. So first chord of that verse is this one. That's our F minor 7. And then we go to this B flat, which is a B flat, F, B flat, D. So what are the lyrics again? I go. But I'm not sure if it hits the B flat or not, if it just stays on the F, but you could do both. You can kind of do that. Pedal it. F on that. Or you could go. Change it up. That kind of thing. And then if you stay like that, then you can keep that same, you can keep that and then just go back to the chorus here. So you've just gone from either that or that. It's only a bass change to then the chorus where you're doing that G minor 7. Responsible guy. And then you're back here. So for then the bridge, it's pretty much that, like the verse, but it's just more emphasis on the rhythm of it. You've got kind of like a back to those three chords, yeah. Now, go play music.